Slavery went on in the Caribbean for over 300 years. Many black people died traveling from Africa on the treacherous Middle Passage journey on the slave ships. It was a hard journey to freedom, as slaves on the sugar plantation were looking forward to their emancipation. The period of apprenticeship seemed longer than 4 years. Many uncertainties lied ahead, like where will they go after leaving the plantations? The British governors gave the plantation owners a ruling that lands must be given to ex-slaves all over Jamaica to start their lives. The acres of land were not always shared equally or fairly, and the lands were mountainous and the terrain often a tedious task to travel. The ex-slaves were given crops and seed to plant on their lands as well. Farming became their main livelihood. After all, that's what they're used to doing for so many years.